Today we're asking the question, why use the new Canva plugin for ChatGPT? Now before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Now, if you want to be able to get Canva on ChatGPT, you will need to have an upgraded account on ChatGPT. So you'll need to have ChatGPT Plus to be able to access this. So before we go ahead and do it, I just want to show you, we're in the ChatGPT section, and all we need to do is go down here to plugin section, because normally it starts at default just there. So all you have to do is click on the plugin section just there, and that'll bring you here. Now, if you want to be able to get it, you just click on this section just here, and then you scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says plugin store. Click on that. All you have to do is go to the search bar and type in Canva, and it's right there. And all you have to do is click install, and in just a moment it will be installed. As you can see, it's now installed right there. Now, how do we use this? You can use it for numerous things. You can use it for things like creating logos, you can use it to create things like thumbnails and various other aspects. So I'm going to be typing in here, please create a logo for me using letters, special fonts, and no image. So all we now have to do is hit enter and see what it comes up with. Now, I don't exactly know what it'll come up with. I've never used it for the logos before. I've only done it for the thumbnails, just to have a look at what they're all like. And what it does is it types up this image here, and once the image is created, it'll then show it to you what it looks like. There we are. Oh, this is nice. I see how that works. Yep. Now, it doesn't give you the one that, because I didn't write down what it was. And even if I did write down PCF, it wouldn't have put it in there for me. It doesn't go into Canva for you. Now, just to let you know, you do have to have a Canva account, whether it's free or paid, to be able to do this, so as it can connect straight to Canva with you. Okay, this one here's Light Studio. This is nice because it's not really got an image, it's just words and font. That's really nice. Now, if you like one particular one that they've chosen for you, and you want to be able to maybe use that, the link is usually above the image. So make sure you're choosing the one that's above the image, and this was the one I want to go look at. So actually I might have a look at the one below it, or even this. No, this one here, I think. I'll go for this one. It looks pretty cool. And in just a moment, it'll open up it in Canva. So bear with me for 1 second. Okay, so I'm just going to click in here. Going to go PCF. Okay, I wonder if I can shrink that font down a bit. There we are, that works. We'll move over here. Now we can also click on this section here, and we'll call this one Product Creation Formula. And I might shrink the size of that font down just a little bit. There we are, so as it stays on the same line. There we are. I might even change the color. So I'm just showing you, you can just do this in whatever one you want. And there you have it, it's all done. So once again, you can go back over here. Let's say, for example, you want a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So all you have to write is, please find some YouTube thumbnail images. Highly clickable YouTube thumbnail images about digital product creation. And all we have to do is hit enter and see what it comes up with. Now I'm just going to scroll down and see what it does. Once again, it'll just write up the text, give you the text image, and then remembering you click on the actual title above it to be able to get taken straight to Canva to be able to edit it yourself. Okay, let's go have a look at this. Yeah, not a big fan of that one. No, don't really want anything to do with Thailand. Oh, that's nice. That's about AI tools. So we could do something about AI tools. That's cool. That's really nice. I don't wish. This video got 1 million views in 2 weeks. Oh, I so wish that happened. I think if I was going to do any of them, I'd probably use this one here. So all we have to do is, once again, click on the one above it, and that'll take you over to Canva, where you can then begin doing your editing. This isn't going to be an overly long video. I figure that you guys can figure out for yourself, and you can put your own prompts in. Now, let's say, for example, you want something to do with social media, and you want to say, for example, an image to go into Facebook. So why not just say, please give me an image for digital product creation that I can post on Facebook. Well, that's nice. Yeah, that's also pretty nice too. No, I don't think I like that one. Because I'm saying digital product creation, aren't I? Yeah, I am. It's not doing anything for digital product creation. Let me just go back over here and emphasize the digital product creation. Click on there. So please make sure it's for digital product creation, nothing else. And internet marketing and nothing else. Okay, so all we have to do now is hit submit, and let's see what it brings up now. Now, in case you didn't know, you see where it says 2 of 2? This one here, if you were to click on the left-hand side, that will take you to your previous prompt. So I don't know if you realize that or not, but that does help you to be able to find, if say, for example, you've corrected it like 5 or 6 times, you can go back through all your old prompts to make sure you've got what you want. Okay, digital marketing agency. Yes, that's good. Yes, we got those two, which were nice. Those two worked well from previously. Let's see what this one comes up with. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's good as well. And that's nice also. Now I'm going to get it to create a thumbnail. Create a thumbnail for my videos to place onto my website about digital product creation. Make sure it's only for digital product creation and not physical products. Let's see what it brings up now. See, what I could use this one for is an overlay for a video. I could find one that really I like. If I'm, say, for example, creating a video course, I can use it as an overlay over the top of my video for my WordPress site, because I use optimized press on my WordPress sites. Okay, so hopefully that will give it to me now. We'll find out in just a sec. See what else it comes up with. Please give me different ones from the ones above using YouTube thumbnail sizing. Include internet marketing and making money online. So let's just go save and try again. That's better. That's much nicer. Okay, cool. But you can always rechange the wording if you need to. Alright, that's good. If I was going to do this one, I think I'd change the color to red and make that red as well, so as it really stands out. Because you know, red and yellow always go well together. Okay, I'm going to quickly choose this one. So I'll just move him out of the way. Click this one above it. Click that one just there. There we are, that's got it. And change the color to say red once it decides to wake up. And let's just say that red just there. We can also change the color of that one to red as well. Or even this one, change that to red. Actually make that one a little bit whiter. And there we have it. Then you can obviously change it to what you want it to say. You can put your own image there if you wish to, etc. And this is the plugin that you can use for Canva. Alright guys. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you so much. Last week we hit 10,000 subscribers. Now I have to say, the last 3 years, it's had its ups and downs, but mostly ups. And I have to say thank you so much to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Now also too, we've got a few things coming up in the near future, so I thought I'd just let you know while I'm here, thanking you for all your support. So in the near future, in the next couple of weeks, every Sunday afternoon, Australian Eastern Standard Time at 5 p.m, we're going to be having a live stream where I'm going to be creating videos about low content books and uploading those onto Amazon KDP. Now, what I'd like you to do, if you could leave comments down below the video and let me know the type of low content books you'd like me to create, whether it be things like journals, diaries, whether it be anything like coloring books, puzzle books, that kind of thing. If you just let me know, then I'll have a list of things that we can create on a weekly basis. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you. I just want to say one more time, thank you so much for your support. We certainly wouldn't be able to hit this without you. And to be quite honest, we've been going for 3 years. And I've known other YouTubers who've been going even longer than that and they still hadn't reached 10,000 subs. So for the fact that this can be reached in 3 years, I'm really grateful. So thank you very much. And so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, but also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Now also, right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and bye for now.